Hi, welcome back to the channel. Quick video today on the Ford Focus ST. Shifter will not go into first, third, fifth, or reverse. Finally, 4 years later, going to show you the details on what goes wrong with these shift mechanisms. Real simple, 5-minute fix. Here we go. The dead giveaway. If your shift mechanism is messed up, when you go to put it into gear, the knob is much further forward. It'll go almost all the way up here to the heater controls. Put it into neutral here, just kind of reach up underneath the boat and pop it out of there. Just get your fingers up underneath that little ledge, pop that guy up. You can see all of your guts right down in there. What we're looking for though is to follow that cable right there where it's connected to the shifter. All right, we're gonna follow that cable on forward. We're going to zoom in. Right there. That is the bushing that you're looking for. What happens when that bushing pops out of there, you push the shifter forward and that cable housing goes with it. It essentially renders the cable ineffective. You have to have that mount attached for the cable to do anything. That's why when you push the shifter forward, the whole cable housing slides with the cable and it doesn't push it into gear. Mine fell out on the forward side of the mount. I have heard of a number of other guys having the same issue, only on the reverse gears, 2, 4, and 6. I'm sure it's possible. If that mount popped out and came up over the top, it would do the same thing. You cannot really access it from up here. There just isn't enough room to get your hand down in there. So we get to it from the bottom. Trim panel right here. Pop this little guy off. That will allow you to get this little knob off of here. It's just a barbed retainer. Real simple. Yank that guy out. Now, you can pop this cover out. Now, you can get your hand in there. It is that little white piece of plastic on the end of the cable. There's a black bushing. And all it is, it pops out of its plastic mount. All you need to do is push it back down into that mount. Add a little drop of super glue, and you're good to go. You could probably put a little dab of super glue on the end of your screwdriver, dab it down in there, accomplish the same thing. Just a little bit of adhesive is all you need to help hold that thing in place. Give it 10 seconds to dry, and you're back to ripping through the gears again. Thanks for checking out the channel. Have a good day.